I totally forgot to record the install process of this thing. Oh, I just scraped. And, but I'll tell you about it, because it was kind of a mess. So, I installed a Helmholtz resonator. If you guys don't know what that is, you could look it up, or what it does, how it works. They're pretty popular. You see them on the HKS exhausts, Motordyne exhausts, ARC exhausts. It's basically those kind of off-branch chamber things you see. Like they're on ARC pipes, they're on some test pipes, and they really help with drone and I believe rasp, maybe rasp, but for the most part they're used to help with drone, to you know, knock the drone down. And you guys can probably hear me very clear right now. If you've listened to other videos in the past of me talking in the car, I would yell really loud and you would hear a whole lot of bass. But you guys might be able to tell right now, it's about half of that. I am so extremely happy with this Helmholtz resonator that I put in. Extremely happy. It has done exactly what I thought it would do. Now it hasn't gotten rid of the drone completely. There is still drone, yes. However, it is definitely half, if not a little more than half of what it used to be. And I am so extremely happy. I even could tell that the tone of the exhaust has changed a little as well. Sounds like there's a little less rasp than what I had, and the tone kind of got a little I don't want to say deeper, I don't want to say cleaner, crisper. I don't know, it's just a slight change that I can notice, and I am so happy. I really wanted to give you guys some exhaust clips, but the past 2 days it's been super windy and it would have been, you know, real shit audio. So I did that first clip you saw of kind of the idle. That's pretty much all I can get right now. Otherwise it's too windy, it won't be worth it. I'll have to wait another day. But the exhaust sounds better than what it did, and that's really saying something, because I swear, I don't want to be cocky or anything, but I really think I have the best exhaust setup for sound and for performance. Here, hold on. I don't know if you guys would hear that. I'll find out when I edit it if I leave that clip in or not, but sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty damn good. No rasp at all. Even on the inside of the car where I could still hear some, I rarely hear any now. I am so happy. If you guys don't have Helmholtz resonators on your exhaust, I highly recommend it. 1010, do it. It's they have different lengths, and there are, like, I don't know, equations to figure out what length you need of where you want your drone to be cut out. Mine was like, you know, that 2,000 to 3,000 RPM range where most of my drone comes from. So I don't remember what length the one that I got. I think it was like 20 something inches in length, maybe, something like that. But guys, like, I'm at about 2,100, 2,200 right now RPMs. It's nothing. Like, I can finally have a conversation. I can finally think clearly in my car now. It's highly recommend that you guys look into it. But like I was saying, I definitely I think I have one of the best, if not the best sounding exhaust setup, and I'm gonna say it right now. I'm gonna be a little cocky and confident on this. I think I do. Long tube headers, RPM long tube headers, Motordyne XYZ pipe with resonator, and then ISR single with 2 resonators in it and that Helmholtz resonator. So I will upload some exhaust clips soon of revving and drive-bys and things like that, and I think that will fully confirm that I think I got the best sounding NAVQ out there. So yeah, that's just my review so far. I've had this on for a week now, the Helmholtz resonator. 10/10 recommend. So hopefully the weather turns around. It's getting a little chilly now. I still don't really want to work on my car, even though I know I have to. So yeah, yep. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to